Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're probably playing on the computer and now want to change back to your mouse. Because as me, I'm totally crap with the controller. So first you want to click on Start, then go down to Settings. Down here you have different options. You want to focus on controller and then click on Aiming Input Device. Click on it and now two options appear. We want to use the mouse right now, then click on mouse and now the controller is not moving anymore. And now you can aim by playing with the mouse. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.